Hello guys, I'm back here for another video, and today we are going to be making slime. So,
this is more of a test.
Yes.
Because we don't know if it's really going to work.
Yeah, this is a slime test. But so, if you haven't seen our last video, and if you're wondering why we're wearing the same clothes as our last video, is because we're making it on the same day. And the reason our hair is wet is because we went swimming before our video.
I didn't know this much glue dripped on the thing.
Oh, wow. Okay. But so, how to make this, we made this in the last video, is it's basically no glue slime. You won't want to play with it in your hands. It's just touchable.
And also, if you guys want more detail from us, then you can just watch the video about this. It's our last one. So
yeah. But so, to make this slime, you will need
Suave Kids 3-in-1. You need the 3-in-1. I don't know why. We didn't make up this recipe. We watched it on YouTube.
Yes. But so, you can just get this at a store.
Like Target. We got it from Target.
Yeah, and we decided to get Apple. And so you pour it in, mix it up until it gets bubbly, add salt, and just keep adding salt until it gets touchable.
And the sense of this is coconut, watermelon, and apple.
We got apple.
Yeah, because it just smells amazing.
But so, let's get to the real part of the video.
Okay, so we don't even know if this is going to work, so we're not going to pour that much glue because
we're going to use... Ow! I can't get it. You get it. I'll get the rest of it ready. But so we're not using this because we already have a concoction.
Okay, I'm going to go get help.
So pour in some glue. We're not gonna do
as much as glue as your heart contents.
Not too much if you don't
add
know
more than that. Like fill up the bottom, I guess.
Does that work? Wait, let's not add too much. How much?
Add a little more. Okay, a little more.
If this is a flop, I'm gonna be mad.
Because we got our gallon of... We didn't add that much, as you can see, because we don't even know if it's going to work. So we added a little amount. Oh. And so I'm just going to add my Suave Kids 3-in-1.
Can I mix it since you're dumping it? It's good. Can that be how it works? Like you add something.
Can I mix a little bit, though?
Yeah, I'll mix in the beginning. You can mix on the final countdown.
It's the final countdown.
We're derpy. And weird.
And at Target, they have this brand called oh my gosh, they made this derpy crocodile.
Yeah, but so mix that in.
And
Brandon, go get some food coloring. Get some food coloring.
Wait, see if it...
It's not even coloring, so...
And you guys probably aren't willing to waste your hands, but I am.
Because I mean,
I'm just rubbing it on my legs.
Can you get some food coloring?
Wait,
because this is still like white.
Let me rub it on my legs.
Brenda, I think it'll work better if we add
And literally, I'm not.
Oh wait, and you also need.
I'm legit running it.
Yeah, but you will also for this you will also need baking soda. Because saline solution and baking soda. So Brandon, can you get some color?
I'll go grab the baking soda.
Yeah, but so do you want to do green?
No. Only one drop though. Because I want it to like stay true to the color.
Shaving cream spill. But so we're doing green. Oh, don't spill.
Is that the pastel one?
Yes. Or just the pastel.
Because the pastel one is the only one with the green.
Why is there the teal in here? Do we want to add some yellow too?
No.
Okay.
We're only adding one drop because we want it to stay close to the color it originally was, like this. This is a different slime that we are working on.
I think it needs more because it's not even like.
No, I like that color.
You just add one more.
No, one more, please. Wait, can I touch it? It's like liquid.
But so mix in your color if you want it.
And then this is our baking soda. We got parent help, so like we could get it in here because it's just easier to get it out of. So you're just gonna take like, I don't know,
like a few pinches.
Here, no wait.
No, just take a few pinches.
Wait. Okay,
that's what people do.
Take a few pinches,
like 3.
Like again,
until it dissolves.
Brush it off.
You want to mix until it dissolves.
Can I mix? No, I didn't mix
Sure.
it.
And then add your saline.
Why are you telling them how to do it? We don't even know if it's gonna work. We really hope it does though, because we don't. We hope. We just hope.
I think it will. We might need some more glue though.
I don't want to. It smells amazing.
But
It
so
smells like glue.
just
but
keep
like
adding
apple.
this until you.
I'm gonna
think
add-
It's gonna work.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
add some more of this.
So we're gonna add some more glue too. See you when we're done.
So,
Guys, it works, but you need to add like a good amount of.
like because of the Suave Kids 3-in-1, we also added a little more salt because I mean that's how we made.
That's how we
salt
made
in this. And then we added more contact solution, and it's starting to work. It's a little sticky.
Yeah, but
Like
so,
literally, it's actual slime though. But it's a really cool.
hope you guys can see that. Well, so
And it's like jelly slime.
yeah, but so
And it's really stretchy. And it's just started it starts to come together once it works. And like I said, with the Suave
sorry
Kids,
guys if you can't see
because of the Suave Kids 3-in-1, once you start mixing, it'll be a little, it'll be a little liquidy, but once you add more contact solution, so once you add more contact solution, it will just thicken it up and do this. And yeah, with our container, it's kind of hard to mix because the glue kind of gets stuck at the bottom of the bowl. But
yeah, but so it does work, guys. So yeah, this is definitely a DIY.
add some salt.
But so guys, this definitely does work. So comment down below what you would like to see next. Like and subscribe to see more. And I hope you guys enjoy. And
And
bye-bye.
also hit the notification bell.
Bye.